Assuming you're searching for stepn cost expectations, conjecture for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030 and sort of need to basically know where the costs of stepn will go from here on out. We will examine the previous costs of stepn and we'll figure out what specialists really are talking about its future cost activities amazingly. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you really want to take this expectation in each and every forecast with the aim that this for the most part is just the idea of some market master investigators. Also, anticipating something so wonderful basically is totally inconceivable, which is genuinely huge. However, we will basically attempt our the most incredible amazingly. We should begin. STEPN past value examination. As per unquestionably the most recent information accumulated, the especially current cost of STEPN is 30 cents and GMT is as of now essentially position number 153 in the really whole crypto environment. The flow supply of STEPN is 600 million with a market cap of $181,027,154. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 1.56% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we look at the ongoing business sector cap of the GMT with yesterday, you can by and large see that the market cap is likewise down in an unobtrusive manner. STEPN is confronting a fundamentally tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The GMT truly is down to nearly 23.62% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for past truly couple of days. The coin could areas of strength for have, however, we don't explicitly believe that it would a productive resource in especially present moment. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of GMT diminished by 42.090%, disposing of an incredible typical amount of 22 cents from its ongoing worth. This unexpected down in every practical sense implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it very well may be a sort of good purchase and open door for certainly fast interest in an unpretentious manner. The 90 days cost change is near 22.99%, and the value sort of flowed from a base typical cost of 39 cents to especially greatest normal cost of 40 cents in the beyond 90 days. STEPN sort of is somewhere near 19.89% with the truly most extreme truly normal cost of the coin was around 42 cents and the base sort of typical cost of in a real sense was around 37 cents in sort of beyond 4 months. We truly anticipate future STEPN cost expectations. GMT gauge by applying profound for the most part man-made consciousness helps specialized investigation on the past value information of STEPN. We give our altogether most extreme verifiable information for the GMT coin which incorporate commonly different boundaries like truly past value, STEPN market cap, STEPN volume and sort of hardly any more. In the event that you are hoping to put resources into computerized digital forms of money and need great profit from essentially your ventures, make a point to peruse our forecast. STEPN value expectation 2023 according to the gauge and specialized examination. In 2023, the cost of STEPN is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of 41 cents in an unpretentious manner. The GMT cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of 48 cents with the typical worth of 43 cents. STEPN value forecast 2024 the cost of STEPN sort of is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of 61 cents in 2024, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. The STEPN cost could sort of arrive at a most extreme worth of 73 cents with the typical exchanging cost of 63 cents all through 2024, in an unobtrusive manner. GMT value conjecture for 2025 as per our profound specialized examination on most certainly past value information of GMT. In 2025 the cost of STEPN is estimated to be at around a base worth of 86 cents. The STEPN value worth can truly arrive at a limit of $1.08 with the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of 89 cents in USD amazingly. STEPN value expectation 2026 the cost of one STEPN in a real sense is supposed to reach at a really least degree of $1.33 in 2026. The GMT cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $1.50 with the typical cost of $1.37 all through 2026. STEPN value expectation 2027 as per our in every way that really matters. Profound specialized examination on past value information of GMT. In 2027 the cost of STEPN is generally anticipated to explicitly reach at any rate level of $1.99. The GMT cost can arrive at a by and large most extreme degree of $2.29 with the typical exchanging cost of $2.04. STEPN value expectation 2028 STEPN cost is estimate to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $2.98 in 2028. or so they essentially thought. According to our discoveries, the GMT cost could arrive at a greatest entirely conceivable degree of $3.39 with the truly normal conjecture cost of $3.06, which is very huge. STEPN Value Forecast 2029. The cost of STEPN truly is in a real sense anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $4.11 in 2029. The STEPN cost could in a real sense arrive at a sort of most extreme worth of $5.12 with the typical exchanging cost of $4.23 all through 2029. STEPN Value Gauge 2030. The cost of STEPN is truly anticipated to essentially reach at any rate level of $6.12 in 2030. The STEPN cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $7.18 with the really normal cost of $6.33 all through 2030. STEPN Value Expectation 2031. According to the conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2031 the cost of STEPN basically is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $8.86. The GMT cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $10.79 with the typical exchanging cost of $9.11. STEPN Value Expectation 2032. STEPN cost is estimate to arrive at a barely the most reduced commonly conceivable degree of $13 in 2032, in spite of mainstream thinking. According to our discoveries, the GMT cost could especially arrive at an exceptionally most extreme conceivable degree of $15.63 with the sort of typical figure cost of $13.37. What is the STEPN cost today? Today STEPN really is exchanging at 30 cents with the market cap of $181,027,154. How sort of much does STEPN cost in 2024? Or so they thought. The cost of STEPN will increment as certainly more financial backers essentially engage in the venture, in spite of prevalent thinking. In year 2024, STEPN will be worth about a normal cost of 63 cents in an unobtrusive manner. What is the fate of STEPN? Or so they thought. The fate of STEPN certainly is exceptionally subject to the general presentation of the crypto business incredibly. With regards to putting resources into GMT, you really want to, in every practical sense, ensure that you are utilizing the right system, or so they in a real sense thought. This sort of venture isn't appropriate for those with an unbalanced gamble profile. Notwithstanding, it in a real sense is as yet a great speculation for the people who essentially have a high capacity to bear risk and a strong monetary position. Notwithstanding its speculative nature, GMT likewise offers openness to a worldwide innovation and a steadily developing environment. How in every practical sense, much will STEPN truly be fundamentally worth in 5 years? In 5 years, STEPN will have a base cost of $2.29 and a truly greatest cost of $1.99 per GMT. Since STEPN is exchanged on an organic market premise, its worth vacillates definitely. How genuinely high could STEPN at any point go? The typical cost of STEPN could sort of go to 43 cents before the current year's over.